And now it's time for Vantage Shots, images that tell the story, and there's no bigger story right now than the war in West Asia. In Israel, a parliament session was interrupted by air raid sirens. In Germany, a vigil for victims was disrupted by pro-Palestine protesters, and in Gaza, a young boy had to take refuge in a United Nations school due to air strikes. But he took his most prized possession along, his pet bird, whom he refused to abandon. We're leaving you on that note. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
ושם מצאו את מותם. אבל בתוך זה...
אזעקה? סדרנים,
יש אזעקה, לדעתי. בואו.
אוקיי, לצאת בבקשה למסדרון, ואני מחדש את הדיון לאחר ההפסקה, לידיעה, עוד לא ראיתי במו עיניי, אבל...
Mm-hmm.